to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see something really interesting, and that's regarding copy and paste. So you must be thinking what could be interesting about the copy and paste. So always we used to do that simple process to copy and paste, but there's a new way to do it, so that will make your work easier, regardless to the fact you are working in any field. If you're working with a system and you are creating document, Excel sheet or anything as such, this will be very useful to you. So let's get started. So for that you need to go to your start menu. So it's for clipboard. Okay, go to clipboard settings and you need to enable this. Okay, so once you enable this, what can you do? Let me go to a browser and copy a few things. So let me copy few things one by one. Okay, so let me go to any, like, let me do control and V. So if I do control and V, as many times I can paste the last thing I have copied. But if you do window and V, you will get this option where you can find all the things you have copied. So if I want to paste something else, I can do it. Apart from that, there's one thing very useful about it is when you do window and V, you will get this option, and let's say I am using this word much often, so I'll pin it. So even I restart my system, this will be always there, so I can use it whenever it is required. So this thing makes your work very easier. So let's say you are moving from one document to another to copy and paste, and that make your work hectic, so you can use window V to paste the things where you can get all the details which you have copied earlier. And friends, use this thing to make your work easier. And if this video helps you in any format, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks friend, thanks for watching.